Hi there, I'm Matt Frew and I'm the Senior Lecturer who'll be teaching Future Marketing and Transformational Technologies. Oh, and we'll be joined by this guy. Say hi, Theo.
Hi, this is Theo.
That's Theo. Anyway, you'll have the two of us doing this module, but what's it all about? Well, it's a lovely day here, but it's a little bit cold, so why don't we go inside and we can have a little chat about it. Whew, really good to get in from the cold. I can take this jacket off. And actually, this big wall of data behind you gives you a clue when we're talking about future marketing and transformational technologies. Quite simply, this data represents change. Change, what do we mean? Well, of course, it's understandable that you think of the COVID crisis. And absolutely, COVID has been a game changer. It's changing how we work, how we live, and right now, how we learn. However, future marketing and transformational technologies was designed way before COVID. More importantly, what COVID is showing us is it's accelerating the need for a future-focused view of marketing, and actually, I would argue, a change to digital marketing, period. Yeah, it might feel or seem as if it's a little bit spaced out, but hey, the clue is in the title. Future Marketing and Transformational Technologies. So yes, we are going to look at lots of digital, social, and what we really talk about is transformational DARQ technologies. That's what we're going to look at. But most importantly, we're going to ask you some fundamental questions. Fundamental questions about how we do work, live, and learn, and where it's going to go in the future. And most importantly, what does that mean for marketing? What does that mean for the skill sets that marketeers need to develop and apply? So yeah, to a certain degree, hang on tight guys, because we're taking your brains skydiving.